Morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you general knowledge GK. So hope all of you have your GK text with you. So take your GK text, page number 8, lesson 1, nursery rhymes. Okay, shall we start? Okay, lesson 1, nursery rhymes. So we all know many nursery rhymes. When you were in the nursery classes, you studied a lot of nursery rhymes, isn't it? Like what? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Then what? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? SR, 3 bags full. Then Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa. Then what? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, etc. Okay, so we studied, we know many nursery rhymes. So here in this lesson, we are going to do some exercises what related to nursery rhymes. So some lines are given here, but a word is missing in each nursery rhyme. So we have to find out those missing words. Okay, ആ missing word നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Okay, the first one, little Miss Muffet sat on a dash. Little Miss Muffet sat on a. Do you remember this nursery rhyme? Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, sat on her side, and frightened Miss Muffet away. So that is the nursery rhyme of Little Miss Muffet. And what we have to do is write this missing word here. In the second line, one word is missing. Okay, Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, Tuffet. So that is the missing word. Okay, Tuffet, tuffet. Then second one, Baba, black sheep, have you any dash? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Sir, 3 bags full, one for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. So Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Wool is the right answer. Okay, then next one, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of dash. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So that is the rhyme, lines of this, lyrics of this rhyme. So Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Water. Water is the missing word. Okay. Then fourth one, Yankee Doodle went to town a riding on a dash. This is also a familiar nursery rhyme. Yankee Doodle went to town a riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Okay, Yankee Doodle went to town a riding on a pony. Pony, Pony. Pony is young one of horse. Pony. Okay. So then one more is given there. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great dash. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's men and all the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty together again. So Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. FALL is the right answer. Okay, so write all these answers in your grammar text. So now shall we move on to second lesson. Second lesson is a game. Let's play indoor. Some indoor games. Picture of some indoor games are given here. We have to identify those indoor games. Okay, the first one is which is the first one? We all know first game, snake and ladder. Okay, snake and ladder. Yes, ladder. Snake and ladder is the first game. Snake and ladder. And the second one, which is this game, indoor game, it is called Scrabble. Okay, Scrabble. 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 So Scrabble actually is a word game useful for developing vocabulary and spelling. Oh, it is a good mental exercise to keep our brain active and working. So it is a word game useful for developing our vocabulary and spelling and vocabulary. So Scrabble. Then next game, its name is, I think you are not familiar with this, Dominos. Noes. Dominos. It's a tile based game. Tile. So played with rectangular domino tile. It's played with rectangular domino tiles. Its name is Dominos. Okay. Then next one. This also I think you are not familiar with. Isn't it? This is called Chinese checker. Fourth one, Chinese checker. CHEQUER. Chinese checker. It's a board game, then which can be played by 2, 3, 4, or 6 people. Okay, individual with partners we can play this game. Chinese. It is called Chinese checker. Okay. Then 2 more games are here. I think we all know this. Carom board, caroms. Okay. Carom. Then this is chess. 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 Carom and chess. Caroms and chess. Okay, so write these names in your textbook. So first one, snake and ladder. First one is snake and ladder. Second one, Scrabble. Third one, Dominos. Fourth one, Chinese checker. Then caroms, and last one, chess. Okay. Then third lesson, monuments around the world. Some monuments are given here. We have to identify those monuments. Okay, famous monuments from around the world. So first one, I think you all familiar. This is Eiffel Tower. EIFFEL. Eiffel Tower. First one is called Eiffel Tower. It is in Paris, France. Okay, Eiffel Tower, Paris. Then second one is Leaning Tower. LEANING. Leaning Tower. Leaning Tower is in Italy. Pisa is in Italy. You know why it is named as leaning? Because it is a leaning tower. കണ്ടോ ചെറുതായിട്ടൊന്ന് ചരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Leaning Tower. Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Okay. Then this one, Great Pyramid. Great Pyramid is in of Giza is in Egypt. Great Pyramid is in Egypt. Okay, Great Pyramid. Then this is Statue of Liberty. Okay, this is Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty is in New York City, USA. The answers are given here. You have to choose the right answer. First one, Eiffel Tower. Second one, Leaning Tower. Third one, Great Pyramid. Fourth one, Statue of Liberty. Okay, so write these answers in your textbook. Then next is fourth lesson. Some food items are given here. So what we have to do is choose the right food items with festivals. Okay, festival Onasadhya. So we all know Onasadhya, Onam. isn't it? Then Modak Ganesh Chaturthi, Modakam, Ganeshan, Modak Ganesh Chaturthi. Then Pongal, Thai Pongal. Then Sandesh, Diwali. Then Mithai, Holi. Then what? Biryani, Eid ul Fitr. Then one more is there. Then what this is? Um, Tendai. This is called Tendai. Tendai Durga Puja. Tendai. This one Durga Puja. Tendai Durga Puja. So match all these in your Onam. Onam Satya. Then Modak Ganesha Chaturthi. Then Pongal, Thai Pongal. Then Sandesh, Diwali. Then Mithai, Holi. Then Eid ul Fitr, Biryani. Then Tandai, Durga Puja. Okay, match this in your textbook. Then last one more lesson we'll take today. Mahatma Gandhi. It's about Mahatma Gandhi. Tick the correct answer. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on, we all know Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. He is popularly known as father of the nation. Then Gandhiji's full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Then he was married to Puttali Bai. No, not Puttali Bai. Kasturba. Okay. Kasturba. Then Gandhiji's method of non-violent satyagraha. Okay. Then once again I'll tell you, Gandhi Jayanti October 2nd. Gandhiji was born in Porbandar. He is popularly known as father of nation. Gandhiji's full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba. Gandhiji's method of non-violent satyagraha. Okay, so write all these answers, first 5 chapters answers in your textbook and study well. And I have attached this answer key here. No, you don't have to study this lesson. In the next class we will study 6th lesson. Okay, 1 to 5 study this week. Okay, then I have attached answer key also. Then Kasturba, etc. Then one lesson 4, 7th answer I didn't write there. That is why I have attached one more answer key. So make use of this for writing what your correct answer. So do all the exercises, and that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.